Here is the trade recap for the 13th of May 2026. I made something like 800 last night. Here is just the recap. So coming into the day, I was bullish. Again, I mean, over the whole entire overnight sessions, Asia and London, we just moved up. We kept going up. We were coming so close to all-time highs, and by the time New York opened, you know, we were so close enough to all-time highs that I was confident enough that we were gonna go and take that. So coming into the day, we were bullish. I was looking at a bigger retrace move before we went bullish. I took 3 trades. The first one was a loss. It was over here so it was based off this rejection block, which was resting inside of a 30-minute order block. So took a long off this, got stopped. To be honest, I did decrease my risk because I was like, that's a little close for a retrace move to just then rip to all-time highs. So took a loss on that, just small, like $150 loss, and then I waited for just the deeper retrace. We came into this, I believe, hourly gap. Yeah, hourly gap, hourly rejection block. Tapped into it. I missed. I believe we also had an S&T. I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, so we tapped into the rejection block, tapped into the hourly fair value gap. And initially, so I missed this entry, price rips, you get a nice fib entry here if you can see that, right? There's the fib, comes into OTE, it's long from there, which I know one of my mates caught, Molly Flow, check him out, YouTube, TikTok. Anyways, OTE of the range, chuck along there, and then freaking bull run from there. Anyways, missed that, waited for some internal structure to be swept, like here. So we swept this 1 minute, made this rejection block, got tagged in here, and I was holding all the way up to this, just this high. Even though I was confident with London highs being taken, because also we've got like relatively equal highs here. Obviously from the loss from last night, I just needed a mental reset, so I just wanted to take a mental win, was just targeting a lower target. Got stopped in profit, so we rallied. Opened up, I think this is a 5-minute rejection block, fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap. So after price had ripped up, tapped it, and then continued, I moved my stop below CE of this gap. Got stopped out on that to be in profit, and then I was going to get off the charts, but after looking at how price was setting up, I realized that this fair value gap was actually really good for a second entry, as well as like my objectives are still open, so the trade is still valid, taking a continuation to it. So saw this fair value gap, got retested, rejection block inside, got tapped, rally, didn't see that because I was planning on getting off, but then, you know, rejection block, and then it started pushing up. Like, this is actually really nice for re-entries. Drew out the fib, and then entry off of OTE, bull run, ending the day in profit for a total of 800-ish, give or take. Yeah, definitely could have held to London highs, but I just wanted to take my piece of the pie and get to sleep. Because again, I traded in Australia. It was like, what is this? Yeah, it was like 2 in the morning. I was tired. But yeah, that's the trade recap. That's how I made $800 on the night.